Hello again, P3. Right, let's carry on from what we looked at earlier this week. We were looking at possession. Possession means whose, concrai, and we would then say whose is it if it's one thing, or whose are they if we're talking about more than one thing. And on Monday we looked at using the word of. So whose is it? The book of Mugen. Or I can use this, I can use belongs to. The book of Mugen, the book belongs to Mugen. Or I can say, whose is it? Teacher Alan. So it's the pencil of Teacher Alan, or the pencil belongs to Teacher Alan. Now, I then showed you one more way to answer the question whose by using what we call an apostrophe. And this little thing here is what we call apostrophe. Now, let's look at that a little bit more. Now, when we ask the question, whose is it? The answer most of the time will be about people, because people have many things, or maybe the answer might be about animals. Most of the time, whose is it? The answer will be a person or an animal. Now let's look how we use the apostrophe. Now, the first thing, if the answer, whose is it, is one person or one animal, then we use apostrophe S. So, the book of Mugen, or the books of Mugen, Mugen one person, apostrophe S. The pens of Crystal, Crystal one person, singular, apostrophe S. The nose of the boy, one boy, apostrophe S, the boy's nose. Or the tail of the dog, one dog, so dog's tail. Dog is singular. So, Mugen, Crystal, boy, dog, one. So then we put apostrophe S to show the books of Mugen, or the pens of Crystal, the nose of the boy, or the tail of the dog. Now, what happens if the answer to whose is more than one? More than one person, or more than one animal? Now, if it's plural, it's most of the time will end in the letter S. So we don't need to put apostrophe S. We have the S already, so we put S apostrophe. So if people or animals more than one, then we just put the apostrophe after the letter S. So, the toilet of many boys, boys apostrophe, boys toilet. The rooms of many girls, girls is plural, apostrophe after the S, girls' rooms. The food of many dogs, dogs, apostrophe, food. And the house of many cats, cats more than one, cats is plural, apostrophe, cat's house. Now, only one more thing to make it a little bit more difficult. Sometimes the answer to this question, whose, might be a plural word, a word that means more than one, but it doesn't end with the letter S. These all end with letter S, so we put S apostrophe. But children is more than one child. Men, more than one man. Women, more than one woman. People, more than one person. So what do? Well, if it's like this, if it's a plural word, no letter S on the end, then we do this. We put apostrophe S. So I would say children's, like this, or men's, or women's, or people's. Even though this is more than one, because there's no S on the end, then we put apostrophe S as though it was singular. Okay, not easy. Right, a few for you to try. Let's go over here. So we've got 8 things here. Who do they belong to? Well, here, Chip is the dog. One dog. So Chip's ball, the ball of Chip. Chip's ball. Chip is singular, apostrophe S. Here, whose dogs, more than one. So dog's balls, more than one dog. So we put dog and then the apostrophe. Number 3, books of many girls. So we will put girls and then the apostrophe there, books, because it's plural, more than one girl. But this one here, look, children. Children is more than one, no letter S, so it's going to be like number 1 here. We will put children, apostrophe S, rackets. Okay, what have we got left? Car of the teacher, bike of Jenny, racket of Nick, and the bicycles of the boys. See if you can finish that off. Okay.